the emergency alert system. Designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air 1, worship now. Emergency alert system.
Air 1, worship now.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. This has been a test of the emergency alert system, designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air 1, worship now.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for Appalachia Bay or coastal waters from Keaton Beach to Ocklawahamie River, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Ocklawahamie River to Apalachicola, Florida out to 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola out 20 nautical miles, waters from Mexico Beach to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles, waters from Suwannee River to Apalachicola, Florida from 20 to 60